What if you could create a professional, illustrated children's storybook in just a few hours and then sell it online for years to come? I'm talking about turning one book into a steady stream of income on Amazon KDP or Etsy, just like these real examples here, where creators are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month. And the best part, you don't need to be a writer or an artist. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using AI, step by step, from story idea to published book, all with one powerful tool. All right, so here's the magic behind all of this. It's called Readkidz, and it's basically your all-in-one AI-powered book studio. You don't need to write a single sentence or draw a single picture from scratch. Everything happens right here in one place. You can create a single storybook, an entire book series, or even illustrated stories for special occasions. It even supports multiple languages, lets you add AI narration, background music, and when you're done, you can export your book straight to Amazon KDP, Etsy, or even create a video version for YouTube. Basically, it's a complete publishing studio in your browser. All right, let's jump into the demo so you can see exactly how this works. First, when you're inside Readkidz, head over to Create a Picture Book. At the top, you'll see options to customize your project before you even start writing. Choose your target age group, for example, 7 to 9 years old. Pick the story category, like fairy tales, adventure, or educational. Select a story style, such as classic tales or modern stories. Choose the story order, chronological or mixed. And finally, set your aspect ratio, like 16:9 for video-friendly pages, or square for print. Once those are set, type your story idea into the box and click AI Generate. In just seconds, Readkidz writes the entire story for you. You can scroll through it, make any edits, change names, tweak dialogue, or add details. When you're happy, click Extract Roles. This tells the AI to identify all your characters and prepare them for illustration. Next is choosing your drawing style, and this is where Readkidz really shines. You can select from up to 193 different illustration styles, from sketchy doodles, clay farm style, watercolor, cartoon, rainbow candy style, and many more. This is how you give your book its unique visual personality. Then, it's time for character generation. You'll see each character listed. Click Generate, and the AI will create 4 different variations for you to choose from. You can edit details like skin tone, hair color, hairstyle, accessories, and clothing to make them exactly how you imagine. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate until it's perfect. Once your characters are ready, Readkidz automatically builds your storyboard, complete with the front cover, back cover, and every page in between. You can rearrange pages, add new ones, or edit the text as you like. Now we move into the scene editor. On the right side, you can add your characters to each scene, use the AI's automatically generated prompts, or write your own. Adjust text placement, font styles, and background colors. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate, and the AI creates your full illustrated scene. Here's another powerful feature. You can click the speaker icon to add narration. Choose from a library of AI voiceovers, each with a warm storyteller tone, or even upload your own recording. You can also add background music to match the mood of your story. Once all scenes are done, click Preview to see your complete book with text, images, and narration, all in one. If everything looks great, you can export in 2 ways. Click the 3 dots to download as PDF for Amazon KDP or print, or click Generate Video to create a narrated, animated version perfect for YouTube, Etsy, or social media. Click on Generate Video. Now, here you can choose from different effects and animated version, perfect for YouTube, Etsy, or social media. Here's the preview of the video we generated.
The Library Lantern. In the small town of Willow Grove, the school library was a quiet place, filled with a scent of old pages and gentle thunk of closing books. 11-year-old Elliot Morrison preferred the corners and shadows there, where he could lose himself in fantastic stories that never asked him to talk or smile at anyone. Every afternoon, as the others clustered on the playground, Elliot tiptoed into the library, finding safety among the towering bookshelves. Elliot scarcely noticed the bustle around him. Elliot rarely spoke except to whisper, "Thank you," to Mrs. Lennox, the librarian, when she stamped his books.
Another powerful feature that can take your videos to the next level is the image to video option. Click Image to Video under AI Image to enter the page. Upload your image, choose Custom Description, or create AI Auto Generate. And boom, it gives 4 different video options. You can also extend the video lengths up to 4 times, which is a really powerful feature. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've gone from an idea in your head to a fully illustrated, ready-to-publish children's book without needing to write or draw from scratch. So now you've seen exactly how easy it is to take an idea and turn it into a professional, illustrated children's storybook that's ready to sell on Amazon KDP, Etsy, YouTube, or wherever you want to share it. Finally, I strongly urge you to click the dedicated link in the description bar below to register for Readkidz. Register through this link and you'll receive 1,500 creative credits, 1 month of standard membership excluding package credits, and daily free credits. Whether you're making your very first book or building an entire series, this is the perfect way to start creating right now. Go ahead, sign up, and let's see what magical stories you can bring to life.